Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what are their current feelings and energies towards you and this connection. So there is a special someone in your life, specific someone in your life. So you are thinking about them and you were wondering like what they are thinking and feeling about you. There is no contact, no communication, so you don't know what the other person is feeling about you. So it may be there may be contact also, but still you don't know how the other person is feeling about you. So you want to know their current feelings and energies towards you and this connection. Okay, let us see what spirits and angels will tell us. Okay, we have three piles here. Pile number 1 yellow heart, pile 2 green heart, pile 3 red heart. So you can choose any pile as per your intuition. You if you need more time, you can pause the video and meditate on the pile, then you can choose accordingly. Okay, please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody, so please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us start the reading. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me to do more and more readings. Okay, then that's all. Yeah, let us start the reading. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. What are their current feelings and energies towards you and this connection? What are your person's current feelings and energies? We will ask spirits and angels to give us more clarity. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some clarity and guidance. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Let us pull some more cards. Okay, cards are flying, so they are very excited, so they want to say many things to you. Let us see. Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, many cards flew away. So bottom of the deck we have Page of Cups is the bottom of the deck. Let me arrange the cards first. Hope you can see. Page of Cups is the bottom of the deck. Queen of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, and Three of Wands. Okay, so I feel that whomever you are asking about, you are thinking about, that person's signs might be sun sign, moon sign, or rising sign. We can see here Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Actually I can see all the signs here. I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So you can take whatever resonates with you, because all the signs are there in this spread. Okay, so let us pull more cards before I can say anything. Let us pull more cards so that we can get some clarity. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 1 people? Let me just move these cards. Okay, Five of Wands, Page of Wands, the Star, and we have Abyss, and bottom of the deck we have the Completed World. Okay, so in this spread we can see Aquarius is there, very prominent. Then I can also see Aquarius, Libra, and what else is there? I can see Aries, very strong, and any fixed sign like Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, and Scorpio. Okay, so please take it whatever resonates with you. Okay, let us come back to the reading. So this person is really feeling very emotional towards you. They have lot of love towards you. Let me tell you something very straightforward. This person definitely loves you because the Page of Cups is there, but this love is not stable or matured enough, I can say. Maybe this person is very young, young in age, maybe in 20s. So this person have lot of passion towards you and lot of emotions, feelings. They love you so much, but they don't know how to express it to you, or they don't know how to go ahead further. Okay, right now they are feeling very very emotional. They are feeling romantic. They want to come to you and express their love, offer their love to you. And I also can see that this person stays far away from you. They are maybe in different state, city, or different country. So they want to travel and come towards you. Not only come towards you, they want to take you along with them. Okay, so any one of you in this relationship are married, or a single mom or a single dad. Okay, married in the sense they are no longer with their partner, maybe widowed or divorced. Okay, so the other person, one person is definitely like a single mom or a single dad for 50% of you whoever watching this reading. Okay, so many are watching this reading, so I can see that half of the people in their life, there is a person who is already married, okay, or divorced or widowed, as I said earlier. So definitely this person want to come to you. They want to travel, they want to take you with them, and they are waiting to complete something. So complete the world. Completed world means they want to end something and come towards you, or they have already ended a cycle with you. Maybe if you are not talking to each other, maybe they have ended that phase in their life. Maybe they are not at all thinking about you, or ignoring you, or rejected you, whatever they have done earlier. So they have completed that cycle and they want to come towards you. Okay, they look at you as a very beautiful, attractive, and yeah, so for some of you it is very sexually attractive. So they have lot of passion towards you. Maybe you have spent some intimate moments with this person. They are constantly thinking about that, and they want to have those moments again in their life. But they are right now, they are working very hard on their finances. Maybe they have started a new business or joined in a new job. They are working very very hard to gather the money or save the money for you. Before they come towards you, before they propose you, they want to be very stable financially. That is the reason they are working very very hard, day and night they are working. And they don't feel any pain about that, because they are doing it very happily because of you, because they want to gain the money or gather the money for you, so that they can have a very beautiful life together. So they are waiting for you. Three of Wands is there. Definitely they are waiting for you, even though they are not making any move, they are not talking to you, but they are silently waiting for you, waiting for the right time, or they are waiting for you to communicate. Maybe they are expecting a call or text from your side, some initiative from your side. They are patiently waiting. Okay, even though they have some options in their life, they are constantly holding you tightly, and they are thinking about your connection and about you only. Okay, so they are quite defensive. Maybe something happened between you, maybe some fight or some argument happened between you. So this person definitely doesn't want to agree their mistake, or they don't want to compromise. So they are a little bit defensive. And for some of you, this person is little angry also. I can see this person is short tempered, angry. Maybe because of that only this relationship got like abruptly ended or something like that. So this person is right now also, they are not changed much. Okay, they are still, they are aggressive, still they are very um like angry person only. They did not leave their temper for you or for anybody. Okay, they are quite defensive now also, but still they are feeling very very passionate towards you, because Page of Wands is there. Page of page energy. They are not into a king energy or a queen energy. They are into page energy. That means they are not stable enough in their thoughts and in their, in this love relationship. So they are waiting actually, but they are not quite sure whether they can commit to you or they can marry you, but definitely they are attracted towards you, and they look at you like a celebrity. They feel that you are very famous, maybe you are famous in your social group or social media, so they are constantly keeping an eye on you also. And this there is a hope in this connection. They are having lot of hope that this relationship is not ended. So they are thinking that this will re grow again, or you both will reconcile. That is what their hope is. And definitely they are looking forward to have a reunion with you. That's what I can feel. And also this person is maybe they are working in a very high cadre, high position. They are into maybe police, military, or a manager, or a CEO, boss of the company. Okay, so very powerful position this person is. They are in very very powerful position. That is the reason they are working hard. They want the status, they want the money, they want their pride, because this person is very very prideful. I can tell this person's characteristics, because I can feel the vibe here. So they want to achieve everything. They are very ambitious. They want to grow their business or their career. Okay, so they are working very very hard towards that. And as I already told you, this person might be single mom or a single dad. Not for everybody, but for half of the people, this person is already married, and they have children also. So please take it however it resonates. Okay, so that is how this person is feeling. Let us pull some summation card, one card of summation spirit. What this person exactly wants to happen, or what this person is thinking about my pile 1 people, what they want to happen actually. So please, one card of summation to close this reading. Okay, the Hermit. So this person is like searching, soul searching. They are doing, they are meditating, they are trying to know what they want exactly. Because I told you, they are not into a king or queen stage. They are into page energy. So page energy means this person is not at all, they don't know what exactly they want. They are they know that they are very very attracted towards you. They know that you have spent a very beautiful moments together, so they are remembering that, but still they don't know what is the next step. So which is good for them in their life, they don't know. That is the reason they are searching for the answers in their life. That is why they are taking lot of time in this connection. They are not moving any step further. Okay, and this person might be their sign might be Virgo also for some of you. So they don't know what exactly they want, what is good for them. So they are searching for the answers. They are asking everybody like what they can do, or they are searching for your information. Okay, they are asking everybody, they are asking mutual friends maybe. So definitely they are thinking about you, they are gathering information about you, but still they don't have that mindset to come towards you or commit. Maybe they have some fear of commitment, or maybe whatever happened between you in the past, that is haunting them. So they don't know what is right for you and right for them and right for this connection. So maybe because of the social atmosphere is stopping them. So definitely they will take time. It will not happen very easily, very fast. I can see many of you will have to wait patiently for this person to come back, because they did not make their mind yet to come towards you. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. What are their current feelings and energies towards you and this connection? Let us ask spirits and angels. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2 people? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 2 people and their current feelings towards the connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Queen of Cups, Death, 4 of Pentacles, 7 of Wands. Bottom of the deck we have the Sun. Okay, so before starting, I will pull some more cards so that we can get more clarity. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2 people? What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2 people? The papers, 3 of swords, neophyte, ace of pentacles, and we have bottom of the deck, fortitude. Okay, let me arrange these cards. Okay, hope you can see all the cards. Okay, so I can see the signs here. So you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, very prominent here, or the Scorpio is very prominent. Then I can see Leo or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Actually, I can see all the signs because there are many cards here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also is there. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, very few of you. Very small number of people will have the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, that's all I can see here. So what I can see here is this person, definitely they are into a very happy energy. Okay, whenever they think about you, whenever they feel about you, they will be very very happy and exuberant. So they are very have positive emotions are coming towards you. Whenever they think of you, they feel very positive. They feel you are the right person to make them happy. Okay, so that is what they feel. They the sun card, you all know what is the meaning of sun card. Sun card is the ultimate happiness. Okay, so they look at you as ultimate happiness, sunshine in their life, and you are the person can that can brighten up their life. Maybe they have a mundane routine boring life, so they are thinking that you are the only person who can make their life very attractive, or you can make their life very interesting. Okay, exciting. So that is what they feel. So some of you may be I don't know why it is coming like that. Many of you might be a single mom or a single dad, because I can see the children card also. There are some children are involved, especially there is a boy child. Okay, maybe you both are already married and you are asking about your spouse, that who is not in communication, not talking, you both are separated, or for some of you may be divorced also. So you are asking about your ex. Actually, for some of you I'm telling you. So they see you as their wife material, and you have everything in your life. You are very abundant, very sensitive, and very loyal, honest, trustworthy. They have all very good feelings and positive feelings towards you, but something happened and the relation got ended, because death card is there. So death card means something already ended, something you both decided to end it. I'm not saying that you have it is ended unexpectedly, but you both have decided together. Maybe it is mutual consent or something, so it is dead. Okay, but it is rebirth again. Okay, death and rebirth. So this is again growing from the ashes. Okay, this connection, you both thought that this is ended, this is done, no chance of reconciliation, but still this is growing from the ashes. You thought you should forget the person, the other person thought the same about you, but still you both are not able to get separated from each other. And this person is wearing a mask on their face. They are not saying the true feelings, their true feelings. They are not expressing their true feelings to you. They are kind of introvert. They are hiding their all the feelings to themselves. They are like they are expressing, like they are behaving as if they don't care. Okay, so even if you are there in their life or not there in their life, they don't care. That is the kind of an attitude I can see from this person. But inside they are very very emotional, sensitive. They know that you are their person, you are the right person for them. And also they feel now, their current feeling is they are very very lonely. They feel that nobody is there for them to take care. Maybe it's for some of you, this person is not well also, maybe they have some health issues. So they are feeling that they are lonely, they are like a lone warrior in this world. Nobody is there to take their side. So that is what they are feeling, and they are tired also, like fighting with people, or fighting with their circumstances or their diseases, whatever it is. So they are very tired also. And they are like saving the money. They are very much for some of you, I can say your person might be a little bit stingy also. They don't want to spend more money on anything. Maybe their like livelihood or something, they are in process of saving money. Okay, they are they spend money, but if at all it is required, then only they will spend. Otherwise they like to save the money. Okay, and they are definitely keeping an eye on you. They want to offer their cup of love, they want to come towards you. They are into a page energy. Same, it is similar to pile 1. Okay, so there are two pages here, and there is like single mom or single dad. So if you want to see the pile 1 reading, you can see, so because it is similar. Or maybe the people who are selected pile 1, they are watching the pile 2 also, because the energies are transferring from there to here. Two pages are there, then everything. Okay, so this person definitely feeling very very passionate towards you. They are having sexual intentions towards you. They are feeling romantic. They want to spend time with you, as I told you already. Maybe this is your spouse, ex, okay, your ex partner. So you might have spent some intimate moments with this person, and they are remembering those moments, and they want it again. But they are heartbroken. They something happened, some third party I can see here. So because of the third party, or this broken situation, they're not able to make a move. Even there is no action card here, but still they want to have a new beginning. Okay, so they, what they are trying to do is they might come towards you very very slow, because I can see ace of pentacles. Ace of pentacles is a finance card or money card, but this is kind of an offer. Okay, whenever they are coming towards you, definitely they will offer their pentacles. That means they will come with an offer, maybe offer of a job, or maybe offer of partnership in their business, something like that. They will come into your life, not like a lover or something. They want to come with an offer, with a stable offer, because pentacles are the most stable in the whole deck. Okay, so definitely they want to come towards you with a stable offer. And also I can see they have everything. Actually they have money, they have everything, status, job, but still they want you in their life. Why? Because you are the sunshine of their life. Okay, so that's all I have. I'm not getting any other messages from this spread. So let us pull one guidance card. So what I can see is this person definitely keeping an eye on you. They are gathering the information about you, but they are not yet decided what to do with this connection, because they are into page energy. They are not into a king or queen energies. Okay, because two pages are there. They are into page energy. Page energy means it is unstable. So they don't know. They have all the feelings towards you, but they don't know what to do. Okay, let us pull one card of summation. What will happen in this connection, and what they exactly want to happen in this connection? What is their person's current energies and feelings towards my pile 2 people, and what they want to happen in this connection? Please give us some guidance. One card of summation. Okay, the Fool. So it's a positive sign that they want to take a risk in this connection. Definitely they want to come towards you, and it will happen unexpectedly. Whenever you are not thinking about them, you lost, whenever you will lose the hopes on this person and connection. So when you try to move on from this connection, that time this person will enter into your life unexpectedly, suddenly. Okay, so definitely they are planning to take a risk in this connection. They want to give a second chance to this connection. So they are feeling like they have to take a leap of faith, because they feel that this is destined connection, they you are soulmates, and they want to take a risk and come towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Let us ask spirits and angels, what is your person's current feelings and energies towards you and this connection? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 3 people and on this connection? Let us pull some cards. Okay, I don't want to take so many cards. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is happening in this connection? What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 3? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 3 people? Three of Swords, Five of Swords, the Hermit, 10 of Swords, sorry, 9 of Swords, and the bottom of the deck we have 8 of Pentacles. Okay, before starting the reading, I would like to pull more cards so that we can get clarity about your person's current feelings. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are the current feelings and energies towards my pile 3 people and this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 3 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Two cards are there. Okay. Prince of Wands. Then 9 of Wands. 9 is prominent in your life. 9 of Cups. And the Fortune Wheel. Bottom of the deck we have the Justice. Okay, so strongly I feel your person might be Libra. Their sun sign or moon sign or rising sign might be Libra and Virgo. And any fixed sign, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio and Leo. Then apart from that, I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, very swords, air energy is very prominent. That means Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, so please take it whatever resonates with you. Then right now how they are feeling, they are working very hard on their pentacles. They are working on their money and finances, very hard working person. So they are almost completed. Maybe they are completing a project or some consignment in their business. So they are very working very hard. Okay, and they are into a legal battle for some of you, or maybe you are asking about your spouse who are asking for divorce. Okay, maybe in between you there is a divorce thing is happening, or you are thinking to apply for divorce. Okay, you both are definitely not talking to each other, no communication. So this person is into the some legal battle. Okay, they are heartbroken. There is a third party here. I don't know whether the third party is the family or another person or job or something else. Okay, but right now this person is very heartbroken. They are not able to sleep at night. They are constantly crying about you. They are maybe daytime they are very busy in their work and they are concentrating on their finances, but at night they are feeling very lonely. They are waking up at night and they are crying about you. For some of you, this person is not feeling well also. They have some health issues also. But definitely they are feeling they want some victory in this connection. Maybe some fight happened between you and they don't want to take a blame on them. So that is the reason they got separated from you. And they're feeling quite defensive right now, and they are like they can lose anything for their pride and their victory. Okay, this is kind of empty victory. They are not able to realize that how many people they are losing in their life because of their false prestige or pride. Okay, so they are feeling like they are winner in this some kind of a battle or a race or something like that. But now they are, because of this pain, and they are into some kind of a depression. So they are soul searching now. They don't know, they are praying God, they don't know what to do. They are asking God to give them a sign, or show them correct path. They are searching for the right decision to take. They are not able to make a decision, but definitely they are searching information about you. They are asking your mutual friends or relatives or whatever it may be. They are asking everybody about you. Okay, so they are definitely, they are trying to concentrate in themselves what exactly they want, because finally they got some victory. I don't know what exactly it is. They are feeling very victorious. Okay, so they are now what? So the next question is, now what? See, what I want, I got it, right? So now what? So they are into that stage. They are trying to meditate. They are trying to find out why this happened, what exactly they want, are they happy with this victory. So these kind of feelings they are contemplating now. But they are quite good in regards to finances. They are very strong, they have a very decent job. They are like a kind of a king. Okay, but they have a lot of passionate thoughts about you. They have a lot of attraction towards you, a lot of passion. Okay, that they are not able to ignore. So what they are doing, they are patiently waiting for you, even though they are tired of waiting, but they are still, they are waiting. They don't know what to do, how to take a next step. So they are waiting for your call or your text. Something really very major thing happened between you, which is not patched up very easily. Maybe it is ego clashes or family battle, family fight, or a legal matter or police case. Something very major thing happened which cannot be patched up very easily. Okay, so that is the reason this person is waiting patiently. They are wounded, actually wounded warrior we say, right? So they are wounded, they are tired, they have health issues, but they can't let go of their pride and ego. Okay, they are waiting for the right time. They know that you are their wish fulfillment. You are eligible bachelor or a spinster, and you, even they or you, take it however it resonates. So you both are like freedom lovers. You cannot stay in a tied position. So if somebody tries to control you, you won't oblige them. The same thing with the other person also. If you both try to control each other, this will not go anywhere. That is the reason this justice card is there. But finally, maybe there are two meanings for the justice card. Maybe you are both married and you are fighting a legal battle or planning to fight a legal battle or a divorce case, or this is kind of a marriage card also. So they have the intention to marry you. That is, they are planning to marry you. That is another scenario. Okay, so definitely they are waiting for the right time, because wheel of fortune is there. So they are waiting patiently, waiting when the wheel turn into my favor. They are waiting for that. And definitely they will come towards you, but it will take time. Okay, because they have lot of feelings towards you, very strong feelings, but it will take lot of time. Okay, let us pull one guidance card. One card of summation, spirits and angels, one card of summation. Please give us some guidance card. What exactly the other person wants to happen in this relationship? What exactly they are feeling towards my pile 3 people? Please give us one card, one guidance card, one card of summation. Okay, Hierophant. So definitely when I look at Hierophant and the Justice, definitely they want to marry you. So they have the intention to marry you, but they don't know how to proceed ahead, because they don't want to bend to you, or they don't want to confess their love to you, or they don't want to propose you, because they are um, maybe a highly respected person in the society, or they are into some very good position where people will take their opinion or their guidance or their advice. Okay, so maybe you are working under them. For some of you, maybe you are working under this person. Maybe this person is your boss or manager or something like that. So this person doesn't want to let go of their pride and come to you and ask for the marriage. But definitely this person is very stable and they want to marry you. They have the thoughts and intention to marry you. So that is what I can see. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.